We will solve quiz number 2 till lesson 2 unit 1 from المعاصر book page 7. Look at with me about question number 1. If the matrix A is of order 2 product by 3, then the number of elements equals space. Number of elements, write the number of element in horizontal. We have 3 elements in each horizontal, and we have 2 horizontal here. 2 horizontal lines contains of each one of them 3 elements. 3 times 2 equals 6. Then the number of elements equals 6. Choose letter D. Question number 2. If A plus matrix A plus coordinate about matrix A equals 0, then matrix A we call it skew matrix. Choose letter D. Letter D. It's the rule, okay? The rule. If A matrix A plus coordinate if it equals 0, we call it skew matrix. Understood? Not symmetrical. Not symmetrical. Symmetrical if A equal E alternate, they are equality, but A plus E alternate equals 0, it's meaning skew matrix. Next question, number 3. Matrix X and 6 subtract by 1 and Y equal 3 and 5. This matrix. We want to find X plus Y. Okay, we can write X minus 1 equal 3 and 6 minus Y equal 5. Then the value of X here equal 4 and the value of Y here equal 1. 6 minus 1 equal 5. He want to find the value of X plus Y. 4 plus 1 equal 5. Then the result will be 5. Question number 4. We have negative 5, 4, negative 2, and 7. This matrix here plus 6, negative 4, 2, negative 6. This matrix alternate. You want to find sum of them. You can write negative 5, 4, negative 2, and 7 plus alternate about this matrix 6, negative 4, 2, and negative 6. Sum of them 6 plus negative 5 it will be 1. Negative 2 plus 2 equals 0. 4 plus negative 4 it will be 0. 7 minus 6 equal 1. Then the result here will be letter D. It's I. Okay, choose letter D. Question number 5. For any square units B not equal 0, the matrix A equal P subtract by P alternate is what? We called what? Skew and symmetric, because we have here a square matrix P. We have 2 vertical and 2 horizontal element of it, and they give us matrix A equal P subtract P alternate. P alternate here and the B matrix we called it skew matrix because we have sum of them equals 0. If all P matrix B plus matrix here alternate of P equal 0, we called it skew. Okay, and we can write it what? Skew matrix, because sum of them equal 0. And he give us A equal P subtract P alternate. The difference between them equal A. Okay. He give us P not equal 0. Then matrix A equal P subtract B alternate is what? B subtract B alternate here equal A. And if P plus B ternate equals 0, we call it skew matrix. This example, you must put about matrix E, put here matrix B in any element, okay? Such that about question number 5, put matrix E equal 1, 2, 3, 4, and then ternate about this matrix. It will be what? You want to find B and ternate B. Okay, I will write here B and ternate of B. Write 1, 3, 2, and 4. And you want to find what? B subtract B ternate. 1 minus 1, it will be what? 0. And 3 minus 2 equal 1. 2 minus 3, it will be negative 1. And 4 minus 4 equals 0. Then this matrix we call skew matrix because 1 here and the negative 1. This is change sign. We call it skew matrix. Understood? Then B subtracted ternate of B equal what? 0. And 0 here is the diagonal, and 1 and negative 1, we call it skew matrix. Understood? It's very easy to solve for number 5. Put any numbers as you like about matrix B and ternate of matrix B and find the difference between them. And you can say the result here if the diagonal equals 0 and 0 and two elements here 1 and negative 1, the inverse sign about them, we call it skew matrix. It's skew matrix, okay? Next question, number 6. If the matrix A is symmetric and skew matrix in the same time, then we can call this what? It will be 0. Then matrix A will be 0, 0, and 0, and 0, and 0. Understood? Matrix A symmetric and skew in the same time, we called it equal 0. Then the matrix here, it will be matrix O. Matrix O refers to 0 and 0 and 0. Understood? Question 7. If the matrix of order 2 reduced by 2 where A, Y, and Z equal Y subtract by 2Z, and B is the matrix of order 2 and 2 again, and we have B, the order of this matrix, B, Y, Z equal Z subtract by Y, then he won't find the value of A and B. You want to find matrix A and the matrix B. It's the first matrix and it's second matrix. You can write this matrix here. Any matrix contains of here A1 and 1, vertical and horizontal. Write horizontal first and vertical, and here horizontal and vertical, and here horizontal 1, vertical 2, horizontal 2, vertical 2. Okay, it's the matrix A. You can find the matrix A by rule here. We have Y and Z. Okay, Y and Z, Y and Z. Y minus 2Z. Put Y equal 1 minus 2 times 1 equal 2. 1 minus 2, it will be negative 1. 2 and 1. Put Y equal 2 and 1 to Z. Write 2 here. 2 minus 2 times 1 equal 2. 2 times 2 equals 0. Understood? I will put here again. Put Y equal 2. Y equal 2 and Z equal 1 here in this rule or this expression. Put Y equal 2 and Y equal Z equal 1. 2 minus 2 equals 0. And here put Y equal 1 and Z equal 2. 1 minus 4, it will be negative 3. And here put 2 times negative 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 4 equal negative 2. It's matrix A. And what about matrix B? Matrix B here, Y and Z. Okay, Y and Z, Z minus Y. It's meaning about element 1 minus 1, it will be 0. About matrix B, will be 0. We have y minus z. It's y and this z, okay? Z minus y, z minus y, z minus y, it will be 1 minus 1 0. 2 minus 1, z minus y, 2 minus 1, 1. And here, z minus y, 1 minus 2, negative 1. Z minus y, 2 minus 2, it will be 0. We have matrix A and the matrix B. You want to find what? Matrix A plus matrix B. Okay, you must eat them. Negative 1 plus 0, it will be negative 1. Negative 3 plus 1, negative 2. Okay, 0 plus negative 1, it will be negative 1. Negative 2 plus 0, it will be negative 2. It's matrix A plus B. Choose letter C. Here, question 7. Choose letter C. It's letter C, okay? Next question, number 8. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, X, Y, Z is a skew matrix. Then you want to find A plus B plus C plus F over D plus X plus Y plus Z. Okay, we know skew matrix is meaning what? B equal negative D. We have here A, B, C, D, E, F, X, Y, and Z. Skew matrix, it's meaning what? A equals 0, E equals 0, Z equals 0, and B equal negative D, and C equal negative X, and we have D. Okay, alright, here, okay, and F equal negative Y. F equal negative Y. Okay, we have B, C, F, and he will find A plus C plus F over D plus X plus Y plus Z. We can write E equals 0. It will be 0, and here E equals 0, and Z will be equal 0, okay? Right here 0, and E equal 0, and Z equal 0, 0 and 0. B equal negative D, and C equal negative X, and F equal negative Y over D plus X plus Y. You can write negative height factor between all terms here, D plus X plus Y, and here D plus X plus Y. Cancel them, the result will be negative 1. Choose letter C about question 8. Question number 9. If E the matrix, which of the following could be a rule finds the elements of matrix A? We have is symmetric, A is symmetric matrix such that A, B, we have here this matrix A, B, and C and D, okay. Symmetric here, it's meaning B equals C here, about this matrix. And what about the rule to find elements of the matrix A? It could be what? We know B equal C. This element equals this element. What about letter A? AYZ equal to Y minus Z. No, the result will be not equality. Letter B, we have AYZ equal Y plus Z. It's true because they are similar. If we put any examples here, put it matrix 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? And put the rule here. Tell us you won't find this matrix will be symmetric. Will be symmetric, it's meaning B equals C. Okay, if the results here to right hand side and left hand side around this diagonal equality, then the result will be symmetric. Okay, is symmetric. Could be rule if we have any matrix such that n, and I won't find this matrix contains or convert to symmetric. Convert to symmetric by this rule. Put any numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and matrix A, if you put this rule y plus z, y plus z, here we have this number here, this matrix A, here y and z, and he asked about it y plus z, 1 plus z. It's two elements here. First y, the rule here y plus z. We have about elements, it's 1 and 1 here, any number. Okay, about matrix A, 1 and 1, and here 2 and 2, and here vertical horizontal 2 and vertical 1, and here horizontal 2, horizontal 1 and vertical 2. And write this rule here to find the element about 1 and 1, 2, 1 plus 2 equal 3, 1 plus 3, 2 plus 1 equal 3, 2 plus 2 equal 4. Okay, then this diagonal and two elements behind it, equality 3 equal 3, then we called it symmetric. Then this matrix will be symmetric if we do this rule, choose letter P, because this rule y plus z give us results equality, to results equality. Okay, understood? Question number 10. We have two matrix equality about ternate. We can write matrix here 4 and 1, 2x minus 1, 3, 4, alternate it, 4, 1, 5, and 3. We can write the ternate about second matrix here. And then we have 2x minus 1, it will be equal 5. And we can find the result about x. 2 times 3 equals 6, 6 minus 1 equals 5, then x equal 3. He won't find only the value of x equal 3, choose letter C. Question 11. If x plus ternate about matrix equal 0, then x here equal what? Okay, we can write a solution about this matrix. First, write ternate about this matrix here, 2, -3, 1 and 0. And then x will be change the sign here, it will be -2, -1, 3, and 0. Choose letter C. Question 12. If x ternate, alternate, minus x equal what? It will be 0, because x ternate will be x. X subtract by matrix x will be matrix 0.